Hello friends, welcome to Idli Indulgence. In this channel, we dive into the delicious world of South Indian idlis, from classic recipes to unique twists and everything in between. Let's redefine this timeless dish one bite at a time. In this episode, we're going to look at how to make beetroot idlis. I have two variants. One is a grated beetroot, mixed with idli batter, and the second version is boiling the beetroot a little bit in the microwave and then just making it into a paste or puree, and then mixing it with the batter and then cooking it. So let's go.
Here I have peeled two beetroots, medium size, and I've chopped one of them, and I'm gonna put it in a bowl and pour some boiling water and microwave for a few minutes.
Here I have boiled the beetroot in microwave for a few minutes. It's not fully cooked, but it's like half cooked. You can see the puree. You add the puree into a bowl, and now you mix it with the idli batter.
Now we have mixed the puree well into the batter. Now it's time to make the idlis.
Fifteen minutes later.
Alright, let's taste the delicious beetroot idlis that we just made. I expected a more violety color, but somehow after cooking it has become a little dull. But let's see how it tastes. I can definitely taste the subtle beetrooty, earthy flavor. I'm sure like a lot of kids won't eat vegetables, and this is a great way and a fun way to make them eat.
Here I have taken one of the peeled beetroots and I've shredded them using the mandolin. Alright, now that we have shredded the beetroots, it's time to add the idli batter and mix it well. Now we mixed the shredded beetroot well with the batter. It's time to make the idlis.
Fifteen minutes later.
Alright, here is the beetroot, the shredded beetroot idlis, fresh out of the steamer. Let's go and check it out. This has retained the color more than the pureed version. It's really nice. There's a subtle sweetness from the beetroot. I can actually like taste the beetroot well in this version than the pureed version because there are strands of beetroot in it, right? So it's really nice. I really like the texture. Again, this is a great fun way to make kids eat beetroot. So now that we have tasted both the pureed version and the shredded version of the beetroot idli, I personally like the shredded beetroot one a lot. It retained the color well, so I really liked about that, and also the texture and the flavor was more in this version as opposed to the other version. So you guys try these at home and let me know which one you liked. Thanks for indulging with me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more idli adventures. See you in the next video.